today we will not dive tomorrow. Today we set up everything for the diving, and tomorrow we go in the water. That's our diving center. Scuba tech diving.
Oh, ik kan deze.
Cool.
Yeah, just put it there.
So we are now
Oh, I didn't bring my hat.
visiting Mdina, historical city founded by the Arabs. Well, actually, even before. From the Romans, but it became very famous. They developed a lot under the Arabs period, and it's a fortress on top of a hill, and then became during the time of the Knights became a place for the rich, for the wealthy aristocracy of Malta to live. The characteristic is that it's a very traditional building, nice low streets, and beautiful to see. That's all the guide said, so let's go and have a look. Plus a few drops of rain, because as you can see the sky, there is a little dark cloud, which is not bad because it was so hot. So for visiting, a few drops to stay fresh, a bit fresher is very cool. Really cool. All very so far so good. Look at that. We saw so much of San Giuseppe. So, temple, which is built right on top. Look at that. Nice, but now we have to walk to how we found the way. Yeah, thank you, Kira. So, you know, is the door of Mdina. Ooh, look at the fort. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, what a beautiful, fantastic. I think that may. Of Mdina. You could see it's true because in fact of Malta. Very elegant. So
Simple, because we see later.
we had a quick look inside, sneaky look, and the road's fresher. So it was the first step. The torture. It's pretty violent place. In fact, Malta. There it is. To be careful, as I said. So this one was the ancient residence of the Grand Master of St. John in Mdina, capital, before Valletta. And today is hosting the Natural History Museum. Natural History, sorry. The inner court of the Museum of Natural History.